Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, and my name is David Edwards. And today we're having a New Orleans classic. That's right, the Vieux Carré. But does it taste like old New Orleans? Let's find out. It's great to have every one of you back here today. We are making a New Orleans classic. That's right, the Vieux Carré. Now, it was originally created in 1938 by Walter Bergeron, who is the head of what is now the Carousel Bar in the Hotel Monteleone. Interesting thing about the Carousel Bar, apparently it actually rotates very, very slowly. So I guess if you're in for a few drinks, you're gonna start in one spot and end in the other spot. So you may go from the deep dark of the back of the bar to the nice bright sunlit evening of a New Orleans afternoon. Although afternoon and evening don't really go together, I'm confused. Now, one of the good things about this cocktail is its name. Vieux Carré, of course, speaks to the French term for the French quarter, which literally translates to the old square. Now let's stop faffing about and actually get to the cocktail. So the first thing you need is your mixing glass. And that's pretty awesome because you know what? It's been a while since we've actually stirred a cocktail. Now, the first thing you need is 1/4 ounce of Benedictine. Next, you need 1 ounce of bourbon. However, I'm using a Maker's Mark bourbon. This is a 47% alcohol by volume. Next, you need some cognac. Next, you need 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of Hennessy cognac. You also need the red Sweet Vermouth of your choice. I'm using Dillon's Sweet Vermouth, 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. We also need 1 dash of Angostura bitters, and we need 1 dash of Peychaud bitters. We're going to add a little bit of ice, and we're going to stir this until it's very cold and well diluted. We're going to stir for probably 30 seconds. Oh yeah. So now what you want to do is you want to take your rocks glass and we're going to put in some fresh ice. This cocktail has been commented as being a Manhattan on the rocks. Let's see if that's the case, or if it's better. Take your Gillette strainer, hold everything in. Grab your fancy little bit of lemon. And what we're going to do is we're just going to give ourselves a nice little, let's try this again. A nice little lemon peel. And something is wrong with my, not the best lemon peel I've ever done. Give it a bit of a squeeze. Grab your fancy knife. Make it look pretty. And what we'll do is we'll just take this, twist it in, and put it in somewhere like that. So it looks nice and pretty and attractive. Again, that's not required if you don't need it. However, let's give this a smell. First, it looks beautiful, in my opinion. What do you think? Oh yeah, this is really good. You would think with the bourbon, the cognac, and the Sweet Vermouth, and the Benedictine, that 3.5 ounces of booze with just a little bit of stirring and a couple bits of bitters would be stronger, more like paint remover. You know what? This is not paint remover by any stretch. And I didn't smell it, and it smells like a lemony cocktail with hints of bourbon and cognac, so that's your belated smelling for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients or the direction of how to make this down in the description down below. Please tell me if you think I should use something different to put this cocktail together in the comments as well. If it's your first time to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. And you know what? That's a great cocktail. Sometimes classics are the best. And today we're making the Vieux Carré. Shit, I just spilled some. However, now what I'm making today is the Vieux Carré. Now for, fuck, I can't remember what I'm talking about. So